Hello. Uh, Today we're gonna talk about the divide and conquer algorithm. This is a demonstration of the program that the group made for the learning task. So a quick introduction. So we were given an analysis report with a problem that as the new president of state X, it has come to our knowledge that to easily govern the people is we must designate a governor per region. But the state advisor said that the state X can be split up into 8 regions based on distinct factors such as demographics, geography, socioeconomics, behavioral qualities, and the number of potential governors. And moving on, so our code or program must replicate these inputs and give the same outputs. So here's an example. A score of demography is 100, geography is 75, socioeconomics 50, behavioral qualities 40, and possible governance 10 can result to a region or a state be split up into 7 regions. And then there's other test runs and with their respective uh, results. So let's move on to the code. So this is the code that we made. So let's discuss it one by one. So for the first part, we must import math so that we can perform specific mathematical functions on Python. So we have here a function to calculate regions. This one gets the scores inputted by the user, such as the demographics, geography, socioeconomics, behavioral quality, and poverty. So the first part is we must get all of the sum of the demographics, geography, socioeconomics, and behavioral qualities, and then divide it by 4 because there are 4 items in here to get the average. And then the average will then be multiplied by the governor, which is, and then to get the uh, number of regions, we must use the module math and find the function ceiling to round off the number of the final output times 100 so that we can get a whole number. And then this is another function to get a user input. So it will just ask demographics, geography, socioeconomics, behavioral, and global. Then this is a function so that we can ensure that the user will only input integers and then a score of uh, from 0 up to 100. And then this one will execute the code. Moving on with the program. So we have the program running. So let's try to input our first test run. 100, geography 75, socioeconomics 50, and possible governors 10. So we should have an output of 7. So have here number of regions 7. So that's correct. Let's proceed with another one. Please enter. Let's go to the second test run. 2 1 15, 15, 15. And we should have a 12 possible regions. So it's also correct. Moving on, the third test run. 68, 56, 82, 62, and 13 moments. 13. And we just have 9. Also, for fourth one, 4, and we will have 8 regions. And lastly, our last test run, we have 23 demographics, 56 geography, 29 social economics, behavioral qualities 60, and the list of possible governors. We should have a region which is 3. So as you can see, our program is working as intended. And that's all for the demonstration.